Kia ora, and welcome to this final module on elements. Now, if you look at the first page, you'll have three tabs. As per usual, the standards tab tells you that you're going to be working towards either an exam standard, and this is the last module for the exam standard, or you can also do an internal. So the first two modules gives you the metals internal. This is a different one, which you can also complete in the CHO1043 series on acids and bases. So you'd only do this internal once, either under acids and bases or under this module. There are different topics that you can choose, so you can decide which topics you prefer the most. And as I said, there are three modules to work through for the exam. You only need this one and perhaps the first of the series of this the series for this internal. Okay, if we look at the overview tab, again we see the hyperlinks, so you can easily find your way around. The teacher marked assignment is the one where we give feedback on, and then there is some equipment that you would need to have. The connections tab tells you how the chemistry is interrelated, and the more chemistry you do, the easier you will find it, because all chemistry is around the atom and bonding of those particles, ions, formulae, equations, and so on. So this is very good to show you the links, and this particular module is also very good to prepare you for level 2 chemistry for NCEA. Again, the three cornerstones. The macroscopic is your observation, so this is a video you're going to be looking at to see the solubility of ammonia, and then the microscopic is how we explain that solubility, looking at the structure of ammonia. And the model is the symbols, equations, formulae, the way we represent the macroscopic and the microscopic. You need to think of all three aspects. Finally, as I've said before, make notes to help you process the information. Check your answers. Have you got enough detail? Do you understand all the key points? And then finally, if you're using any of the interactive PDF documents for the activities in this module, remember to use the superscripts and subscripts, and these are the two different ways you can do that. So all the best for your learning. Goodbye.